Hello friends, this is Shreyas. Hope everything is good on your side. Today we are going to talk about
10 trending or upcoming careers for everyone.
So, before we begin, make sure to subscribe, like and follow Theya Career Mentors on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and Instagram, of which the links are given in the description box below. And by chance, if you have missed the last episode, make sure to watch it by clicking right over here. And the link is also given in the description box below. Let's go.
Number 10. Digital marketing specialists. Digital marketing specialists are similar to marketing professionals, only that their specialty is within online platforms like social media. As a digital marketer, your job description will include anything from SEO to social media to Google Ads. Companies had to transition into the digital field, and brick and mortar stores progressed into e-commerce platforms. Because of this, they need more digital marketing professionals to be successful. You will need experience working in the digital space as well as general marketing expertise. Number 9. Graphic designers or creatives. If you are looking for a career path that will allow you to express your creativity, then this is the job for you. Part of your job description will include developing layouts for product illustrations, creating new logos for startups and rebranding companies, designing user interface and campaign art, etc. Graphic designers will be one of the more highly demanded jobs in 2021. Companies will want to run ambitious marketing campaigns and will need someone to actualize the marketing concepts. Number 8. Marketing strategists. As a marketing strategist, you will be responsible for creating marketing strategies, identifying the best messaging and creative concepts, and executing the strategy. Companies are looking to make a full comeback after the virus, which is why marketing strategists will be one of the most in-demand jobs in 2021. Number 7. Data analysts. Their job will be to gather information from different spaces and then interpret patterns and trends. They will then give recommendations on how the company coils improve their business from their analysis. Now more than ever, companies are beginning to realize the importance of data. They want to know consumer habits both online and offline and then use this information to create useful, worthwhile marketing strategies. Number 6. Financial analyst. A financial analyst is a professional undertaking financial analysis for external or internal clients as a core feature of the job. Financial analysts are employed by mutual and pension funds, hedge funds, securities firms, banks, investment banks, insurance companies, and other businesses, helping these companies or their clients make investment decisions. In corporate roles, financial analysts perform budget, revenue, and cost modeling as part of their responsibilities. Credit analysis is likewise a distinct area. Number 5. Blockchain developer. Blockchain is one of the most top emerging technology domains in the current scenario of the IT world. Blockchain developers are those tech professionals who work on blockchain technology and are responsible for the respective tasks such as designing the blockchain protocols, building smart contracts, etc. Number 4. Machine learning specialist. A machine learning specialist is most of the times involved in the development of AI algorithms and devices. As an ML engineer, you will take part in inventing and deploying innovative technologies useful in almost every sector and industry. ML specialist is a software specialist with a strong mathematics background and a knowledge of coding, whose core responsibilities are designing and developing machine learning and deep learning systems, running machine learning tests and experiments, and implementing appropriate ML algorithms, among others. Number 3. Information security engineer. The information security engineer is responsible for the security of an organization's computer systems and networks. Also known as an information security analyst, the engineer implements security measures that effectively safeguard sensitive data in the event of a cyber attack. The information security work in collaboration with the information security team to offer support to security tools and technologies such as firewall, proxy server, remote access, and others. The information systems security engineer will research and investigate the potential impact of new threats and exploits. Number 2. Business Development Manager. A business development manager works to improve an organization's market position and achieve financial growth. This person defines long-term organizational strategic goals, builds key customer relationships, identifies business opportunities, negotiates and closes business deals, and maintains extensive knowledge of current market conditions. Business development managers will also help manage existing clients and ensure they stay satisfied and positive. Number 1. Health Service Manager. We all know that the medical facilities are growing day by day, so the demand of future jobs for Health Service Manager is also growing. Their job responsibility is to oversee the regulatory, management, and legal aspects of health institutions, hospitals, senior housing, retirement communities, and clinics, among others.
There you have it, folks. That's it from my side. Hope you liked the video and learned something positive out of it. If you did, make sure to like and share the video as much as possible. Once again, make sure to subscribe, like, and follow Theya Career Mentors on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram, of which the links are given in the description box below. And by chance, if you missed the last episode, make sure to watch it again by clicking right over here. And the link is also given in the description box below. Thank you very much for tuning in today. Stay tuned for Wednesday, where we'll bring you another exciting video on another exciting topic. Have fun and keep learning.